Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by keeping the area clear and protected. Tie your hair back and drape a towel. Once done, test a small patch for 30 to 60 seconds so you know the remover won't irritate. Now apply an oil-based remover or micellar oil directly to the stained area. Press gently to let it dissolve the meteor rather than rub it off. This prevents smearing and reduces friction, which is why dissolving first matters more than aggressive wiping. Once the media is dissolving, massage in slow circular motions for 20 to 40 seconds to emulsify the particles. You should feel the product change texture. That means it's lifting. Make sure to use a soft cloth or cotton pad to blot and lift the emulsified residue. Pat, don't scrub. If the media is layered or stubborn, repeat the application and massage cycle rather than increasing pressure. This step preserves skin integrity while ensuring full extraction of residues. When most residue is gone, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and follow with a mild cleanser to remove oily traces. Make sure to gently pat the skin dry and then apply a non-comedogenic moisturizer to restore the barrier. This reduces tightness and prevents irritation. Finally, inspect the area for any remaining spots. Repeat targeted cleaning if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if you notice persistent redness, burning, or swelling, stop treatments immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.